Can I say something pa po about CAPS Rescue? Ang CAPS Rescue po, the programs of this organization, meron po kaming tinatawag na yung BPAT. We are a part of that, which as we all know, yung Barangay Peacekeeping Action Team.
Yes.
Meron din po kaming tinatawag na BANAT, which is the Barangay Anti-Narcotics and Trafficking. Meron din po yung BATIN, which is the Barangay Anti-Terrorism and Networking, Intelligence Networking. This organization po, as we can see, Federation of Christian and Muslim Volunteers Brigade Incorporated. Nabanggit po yung Christian and Muslim. And as we all know, this is the only organization in the entire world uniting Christians and Muslims. Kaya nga po ito, non-sectarian po. We have members coming from the different denominations, at saka wala po kaming political attachment. The main theme of this organization is Kilos Pilipino Laban sa Krimen. Yan po ang ipinagmamalaki ng FCMBBI CAPS Rescue na noble theme of the organization. Kaya po in every corner of the country where you can find CAPS Rescue, we are well coordinated with the PNP. To the local government units, to all the government agencies. Coordinated po kami dyan. At I will take this opportunity po to thank ang pamunuan po ng Pangasinan Police Provincial Office sa pagre-renew na naman po ng Memorandum of Understanding with CAPS Rescue. Nais ko pong ipaalam sa inyong lahat na ang CAPS Rescue po ay patuloy na nakikiisa, unang-una po sa ating Philippine National Police, sa pagsugpo at pag-maintain po ng aming the mission, the vision of the organization, which lies mainly dun sa Kilos Pilipino Laban sa Krimen. Ang mga miyembro po ng organisasyon na to comes from all walks of life. Andiyan po, meron po tayong abogado, may doktor tayo, may mga inhinyero po tayo, may mga workers po tayo, karpentero, tricycle drivers, all walks of life po we have here. The only thing na yung commitment po ng bawat Pilipino sa pag-maintain ng peace and order, especially peace and order, so the community will be a safe place to live in. Yun po yung volunteerism na ipinapakita ng bawat membro dito. The name suggests Federation of Christian and Muslim Volunteers Brigade. Yan po yung we are instilling to each and every member of this organization na in their own little way of sharing this volunteerism. Yung own little way po na yan, pinagsama-sama po natin yan. In the name of CAPS Rescue, kaya malaki po ang impact na naibibigay ng organisasyon na ito to help sa ating community, to reach the community. And especially with, of course, in partnership with the Philippine National Police, na alam po natin na siya po ang Philippine National Police po, they maintain peace and order, they reach the community, lahat po ng mga projects na ginagawa natin, kaisa po ang CAPS Rescue dyan. Naipakita na po yan with the Memorandum of Understanding, the Memorandum of Agreement, which ginagawa po namin in every town, municipality, sa province, sa region, up to the national level. And dito po, we call ourselves volunteer, kaya everybody po is welcome to join this organization. Ang sistema lang po dito is, for example, if you are from Lingayen, meron pong chapter dito sa Lingayen, and please try to get in touch with anybody from CAPS Rescue, and the president of the chapter will give a recommendation to the board to accept yung member po na papasok. Meron pong konting fee na required fee, pambili po ng panggawa ng IDs, and it's very minimal po yan. It's only 500 pesos. 100 pesos will go to the IDs. Kasi this organization po is a non-profit organization. Yun po ang gusto kong emphasize dito. Wala pong pondo ito. Ang pondo po dito ay nanggagaling po doon sa volunteerismo ng bawat membro. Kaya we are thankful po. I want to take this opportunity to thank all the members of Cops Rescue. Yung time, the effort, pati bulsa po nila kung minsan i-involve pa rito, just to reach the community. Just to be of service to the community. Yan po yung ako isa sa namumuno ng organisasyon na to. I am very proud to say that the members of Cops Rescue, pinakita po nila the spirit of volunteerism and their desire to make our community a pleasant place to live in. Sa patuloy po na pakikiisa namin sa Philippine National Police, to the local government units, na-achieve po natin little by little ang isang community, a peaceful community that everybody tries to make. Kaya ito po, marami pong programs ang I would like to tell you some of the programs po na nangyari. Last September po, in partnership with the Department of Education, may ginawa po kami na drug symposium sa Calasiao, Pangasinan. That is in partnership with the National Drug Education Program of DepEd. We invited other groups to participate in that drug symposium. And we were joined by the PNP. Of course, the PNP po nandiyan. And it is a very successful campaign to eradicate this drug problem. We have to be educated sa drug problem na yan. And in partnership with DepEd po, we did a very good job, I think, dito sa program na to. And this coming Saturday and Sunday, na kami po meron din yung programs na ina-update namin lahat ng miyembro ng organisasyon. We will be having a fire training and first aid training po. Ito po gaganapin dito sa Bimali area, dito sa may Baywalk.